Huachinango a la Veracruzana, Veracruz-style red snapper. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 35 to 40 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 piece whole red snapper, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 teaspoon sea salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium white onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1.5 pounds Roma tomatoes, 3 pieces bay leaves, 1 teaspoon dried Mexican oregano. Step 1. Pat the red snapper completely dry with paper towels. Make 3 diagonal shallow incisions on each side of the fish to allow the flavors to penetrate. Step 2. Rub the fish inside and out with lime juice, sea salt, and black pepper. Set aside to marinate at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes while you prepare the sauce. Step 3. In a large, deep skillet or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sear the fish for 3 to 4 minutes per side until the skin is golden but the fish is not fully cooked through. Remove the fish carefully and set aside on a plate. Step 4. In the same skillet, add the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Saute the sliced onions until they become translucent and slightly golden, about 5 minutes. Step 5. Add the minced garlic to the onions and cook for another 60 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Step 6. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, bay leaves, and dried oregano. Cook over medium-low heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the tomatoes break down into a thick sauce. Step 7. Incorporate the olives, capers, pickled jalapeno strips, jalapeno brine, and raisins. Simmer the sauce for another 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Step 8. Taste the sauce for seasoning. Note that the olives and capers add significant salt, so adjust only if necessary. Step 9. Gently nestle the seared snapper back into the skillet, spooning plenty of the sauce over the fish. Step 10. Cover the skillet with a tight-fitting lid and reduce heat to low. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork and is opaque throughout. Step 11. During the last 2 minutes of cooking, sprinkle the fresh chopped parsley over the top. Step 12. Carefully transfer the whole fish to a large serving platter and pour all the remaining sauce and aromatics over it. Serve immediately. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.